pressure, before performance, and even before language, there is sound. There is rhythm, there's movement, there's joy, and honestly, that's where real innovation begins.
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm currently finishing my master's in international business.
Hi, my name is Alessa, and together we are building something we really believe in. KLANGKREIS, a new method of music education that puts expression before expectation. Now when we say KLANGKREIS is where innovation begins, we do mean that quite literally. Innovation does not start with systems. It starts with people, with bodies, with emotions.
From a strategic perspective, KLANGKREIS is positioned to grow. We've validated the concept, proven there's a real need, built a strong interdisciplinary foundation. But most importantly, we've already grown a small but engaged community around it, waiting for us to start. I've played the piano for over 20 years, and I've seen how traditional music education often shuts people out instead of inviting them in. With KLANGKREIS, we are applying the same musical intuition and improvisational mindset we've used already for decades, but in a format that's accessible to everyone, regardless of background or age. It's a new model of education, one that starts with expression, not just instruction. One that empowers children and adults alike to be loud, soft, chaotic, clear, and to be seen as musical, the way they truly are.
It's a prototype for the future of education. It's accessible, emotional, embodied, and most of all, it is rooted in joy. The KLANGKREIS method combines elements of music education, developmental psychology, and improvisation. It's inclusive, sensory-based, and research-informed. We create open, sound-rich learning spaces where people can move, explore, co-regulate, and connect.
I've met so many adults who tell me they're not musical. KLANGKREIS proves that it's simply not true. They were just never approached in the right way. This isn't about teaching music. It isn't about having another music school. It's about giving people back a part of themselves they were told they didn't have. Now we're ready to scale and make KLANGKREIS a reality. What we need is a dedicated space, a room built for sound, movement, and sensory access.
Most education systems are built backwards. They teach compliance first and creativity later. They try to retrofit connection into structures that were never designed for that. KLANGKREIS does the opposite. We build from the bottom up. Hi, I'm Alessa.
I'm Tom, and together, with your help, we can make KLANGKREIS a reality.